Hello students, how are you? Fine? Very good. Okay student, yesterday I taught you lesson number 9, sound of U. Okay, and today we'll do work in notebook. See, first of all, as you know, we have to write date. Today's date 10 April 2021. Okay, now you have to write CW, sound of U. Okay, sound of U. This is on lesson number 9. Okay, sound of U. Name the pictures. Name the pictures. Here some pictures I have drawn and you have to identify the picture, then write their name. Clear? Tell me, what is this? This is tub. This is tub. T-U-B. T-U-B, tub. Now come to next. This is a picture of gun. G-U-N. Spelling of gun is G-U-N. G-U-N, gun. Okay. Next, this is cup. C-U-P. C-U-P, cup. Okay. Come to next. This is hut. H-U-T. H-U-T, hut. Now this is mug. This is mug or jug. You can also write. Okay. J-U-G. Jug or mug. Okay. Now next, this is a picture of sun. You know na? Tell me the spelling of sun fast, please. Yes. S-U-N. S-U-N, sun. Okay. T-U-B, tub. G-U-N, gun. C-U-P, cup. H-U-T, hut. J-U-G, jug. S-U-N, sun. Okay. Now next. Fill in the blanks with vowel U. Here blanks are given. Here you have to fill vowel U to make it meaningful word. Okay. Now we are studying about vowel U now. C. C blank P. Which vowel will come? U. C U P, cup. Okay. T blank B. T U vowel will come. T U B, tub. Next, G blank N. G U N, gun. N blank T. N U T, net. S blank N. S U N, sun. H blank T. H U T, hut. P blank P. P U P, pup. M blank G. M U G, mug. R blank B. R U B, rub. Okay. C U P, cup. T U B, tub. G U N, gun. N U T, nut. S U N, sun. H U T, hut. P U P, pup. M U G, mug. R U B, rub. Okay students, this is use of vowel U. Okay, and you have to do this work and this work in your English notebook, and handwriting should be neat and clean. Okay, take care my students. Bye.